The Troxus Trax LT E-Bike is a versatile and well-engineered urban companion that blends style, comfort, and performance. With a robust design and thoughtful features, this e-bike is ideal for city dwellers and those seeking a reliable ride for commuting or leisure. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before starting the video, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for our upcoming videos. Design and build quality. The Troxus Trax LT is built on a 6061 T6 aluminum step-through lightweight frame, which provides both durability and ease of use. The bike's 57 pounds net weight, including the battery, makes it manageable while still being sturdy, enough to handle daily use. The frame's smooth welds and stylish design add a touch of elegance, while the integrated alloy rear rack and 27.5-inch lightweight fenders contribute to its practical appeal. The front suspension fork offers 73 mm of travel, enhancing comfort and control, particularly on uneven surfaces. The bike is also equipped with an adjustable side kickstand, which adds convenience when parking. Performance and power. At the heart of the Trax LT is a Giabo 48-volt, 350-watt hub-drive motor that delivers 50 Nm of torque, allowing for smooth acceleration and a maximum speed of up to 20 miles per hour. The motor is paired with switchable torque and cadence sensors, giving riders the flexibility to choose their preferred riding experience, whether it's more responsive or smoother, depending on the situation. The 480 Wh battery, featuring Samsung RR cells, provides an impressive range of up to 55 miles per charge, making the Trax LT suitable for longer rides without the need for frequent recharging. The bike's maximum load capacity is 300 pounds, accommodating a wide range of riders. Components and features. The Trax LT is equipped with high-quality components that enhance its overall performance. Shimano 8-speed shifting system ensures precise and reliable gear changes, allowing riders to easily adjust to different terrains and riding conditions. The rear derailleur is a Shimano RD M310L Altus, paired with a Shimano RR 8-speed cassette, 1232T, and shifter. Crankset. The bike features an aluminum crankset with a 42T chainring and single chain guard, mounted on square taper sealed bearings for smooth pedaling. KMC chain, a durable chain that is designed for longevity and performance. Tektro hydraulic disc brakes provides excellent stopping power and control with 180 mm rotors on both the front and rear wheels, ensuring safety in various riding conditions. Rims and tires. The bike rolls on alloy double-wall rims with eyelets, fitted with Kender 27.5 by 2.2. Tires for a comfortable and stable ride. The stainless spokes add to the durability and resilience of the wheels. Saddle and seat post. The Troxus Comfort Saddle and adjustable alloy seat post, 30.4 by 400 mm, ensure a comfortable riding position with a quick-release seat post clamp for easy adjustments. Comfort and ergonomics. The Troxus Trax LT is designed with rider comfort in mind. The Troxus Comfort Cockpit includes an adjustable zoom alloy stem, 90 mm extension, ergonomic grips, and swept-back handlebars that provide a natural and relaxed riding posture. The saddle is both lightweight and plush, offering excellent support for long rides. Control and safety. Control and safety are paramount on the Trax LT. The bike's Tektro hydraulic disc brakes deliver reliable stopping power, while the ergonomic comfort grips and platform pedals with reflectors ensure a secure grip and stable footing. The high-contrast, full-color Bluetooth screen offers easy access to key riding data, keeping the rider informed at all times. We provide a 5-year limited warranty on all e-bikes. If you're unsure about choosing an e-bike, you can also visit one of our stores for professional guidance. Click the test ride link below to receive expert assistance. And in the description, please use for the test ride link. The Troxus Trax LT E-Bike is a thoughtfully designed and well-equipped option for anyone looking for a dependable and stylish urban e-bike. With its powerful motor, long-range battery, and quality components, it offers a versatile and enjoyable riding experience. Whether you're navigating city streets, commuting to work, or enjoying a weekend ride, the Trax LT provides the performance, comfort, and reliability needed to make every journey a pleasure. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.